In this video, we will be learning about how to talk about amounts. First, let's look at how we talk about large amounts. For countable or uncountable nouns, we use a lot of or lots of to talk about large amounts. Here is an example. There are a lot of empty tables here. We can also use many or much. We use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. Here is an example. Have you got much water left? We can also use these words to talk about quantities that are larger than what we need. For example, there are too many empty tables here. This means there are more empty tables than the speaker needs. For uncountable nouns, this would look like, I have too much water left. How do we talk about small amounts? We use a few and too few or very few to talk about a small quantity of a countable noun. Here is an example. There are very few forks to go around. If we want to say that the quantity is smaller than what we need, we would say, there are too few forks to go around. For uncountable nouns, we use a little and too little or very little. Here is an example. There is a little milk left in the fridge. If we want to say that the quantity is smaller than what we need, we would say, there is too little milk left in the fridge. We need to buy some. There are other ways we can describe amounts. We use some when we do not want to specify or we do not know the amount of something. It can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Here is an example. Can you buy some chocolate on your way home? We use enough to talk about an amount that is exactly what we need. Here is an example. There is enough chocolate at home. If we want to talk about an amount that is smaller than what we need, we can add not. For amounts bigger than what we need, we can add more than before enough. Finally, we can use certain adjectives and adverbs to describe amounts. We can use moderate and excessive to describe medium and more than enough amounts, respectively. Here are two examples. Doing a moderate amount of exercise every day is good for your health, and excessive exercise may be harmful to your body. Now let's practice talking about amounts. Two of the underlined words or phrases in the sentences below are incorrect. Can you identify them? The answers are very few and moderate.